Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, YouTube Services and Entertainments. This is the story of repairing. First, try to repair this wheelbarrow wheel. And this tire, as you see, I bought this wheelbarrow from like a second-hand store for very cheap, about $10, and the tire was flat. I put some air on the tire and spray some water and soap, and I found out it was a lot of leaks pretty much all over.
everywhere.
As you see in this video, leaks from the edge of wheel or the tires, air leaks from pretty much entire tires. And the reason why this tire is very old and was flat when I bought the wheelbarrow before, and it's because leftover long time ago, so it's kind of getting really soft and cracks pretty much all over. It is the leaks all over, they are very small, and but of course eventually the tire will be flat again. Here I'm trying to remove the tire, and this is my first time repairing wheelbarrow tire. I found out this tire is tubeless. Unfortunately, it'll be really hard to fix, because if it's tube, it can be repaired easily by patching the hole. It's just like the um, bicycle tires, easy to repair because they got tube. Tubeless tires, however, they kind of hard to fix because of you need to either replace the tire. Also, replacing this tire is not easy, and you'll see in a few minutes in this video. This is the rim made of hard plastic. As you see, the tire is very soft, flexible, but it's skinny, and it's got a lot of cracks in all over the tire. That's why it's leaking. The tire is not heavy duty at all. First of all, my first attempt to fix this tire or to repair it, I have to clean inside. There are a lot of dirt, dust, rust, and debris. I use a brake cleaner, brake and parts cleaner, to clean it very well. I try to buy stick rubber for tire repair. Unfortunately, they're not cheap, they're very expensive. A small roller costs about like $70, and because it's heavy, shipping also not included, and shipping costs like about $25, ship it to Canada, so it's not cheap, and I wouldn't spend about $100 or something just to repair this tire. I'm using a heavy duty duct tape. This duct tape, it's heavy duty, and just to give a try. It's my first try ever to fix such a thing, but I thought to give a try because it's a small leak, and I thought it may work. You will see at the next few minutes. So the idea is to put that duct tape inside all over, even if I have to put like 2 layers, and as you see here, still more duct tape. I have to cover entire thing. Then those are just have to cut them or just stick them around the edge of the tire. By the way, to buy a tire same size like this one is not cheap too. I check online, and some of them, like the cheapest one I found about almost $45 shipping not included. Also the shipping costs another $20 or something, and I wouldn't also spend that much money to buy just the tire itself. I bought the whole wheelbarrow for $10, and it's not kind of looks ridiculous to buy the tire for almost like $50 or something. So I thought to give a try and try to fix it, but again, simply the method did not work at all. I put some air and it just didn't work. It's still leaking very slow. Now I went to Prince Oro, one of the local store. I found those tires only on sale, $7 each. So I bought two of them. Now it's time to get rid of this old shitty tire and put a new tire in. But you'll see I'm gonna have a lot of problems, hard time to put the new tire in, because the tire, as you see, it's a new. It's not like, as you see, it's kind of stuck the two sides together. So removing the tire is not really hard to do, but to put the tire inside the rim and float the tire with air, that's the hardest part, and you will see what I mean in the next few minutes. And of course the method I tried to use with duct tape did not work, simply because duct tape, it can leak air, and it's not meant to use for high pressure or something like that. But first time I thought to give a try. Unfortunately it did not work. The best way method to work is to use rubber sticky tape, that stuff made for tires, rubber to rubber. It is like called hot rubber repair for a tire. Can be also used for like car tires or anything like that. Usually tire repairs use them to repair, made for tubeless tires only. And I also try to convert this tire to tube, buy a tube and put it in, and I couldn't find the right size tube for this size. This is, I think it's believe number 8 or something like that. I'll put the link description for more details. Now I put the tire in, didn't take me long, but now time to inflate the tire. So this is the hardest part, because putting air inside this tire is not easy at all. And the best method is, I found out, is to use rubber or rope to tie it down, as you see here. And you need to tie it down so the rubber or the rope push tire edge toward the rims, so the tire edge can stick on the rims, so the air won't escape. And this is method I tried before, it worked too. Now I'm gonna try it this time, but because the tire is new and it's not gonna be easy, so it took me like a while to finally get it work. And so the thing is, you need to remove the valve inside the tire valve. There are small valve control, as you see I'm doing it here. And so you can use you put a lot of air inside, and more air come inside the tire, that have a good chance to inflate the tire. And here you see this method, it may probably take a while, like it took me several attempts to to get it work. And you need to make sure all the edge of the tire has to be um, kind of very close to the rim, touching the rim. So when you put the air, the when you try to inflate the tire, the air won't escape easily. As you see now, it worked again. Finally, after a few tries, it worked. And so this new tire I bought from Princess Oil, and surprisingly, I start hearing leaking, but this time it's from the tire itself. So I kind of really was shocked because new tires, it came from the factory, why it's leaking? And I checked it out, found out those like small holes on the tire itself. So it's like factory defect, or I don't know, for some reason this tire is new, and I found about like maybe 3 or at least 2 holes, tiny holes. And of course, these holes to fix, you need to open the tire again and then put a hot stick or hot rubber stick inside the tire. That's the proper way to fix. As you see here, 2 holes in this tire already. Unfortunately, after all that, and it's so hard to tell if this tire has a holes or not. The only way to know is just to put it in, inflate the tire, and then you can tell if it's like has a leak or holes or anything like that. Now I'm trying to fix those holes. I'm using this rubber, sticky rubber. This rubber can be used for thick tires, such like tar. They work fantastic car tires, but they don't work in this tire because this tire is skinny, soft, and they're not gonna hold. Now I have to remove this tire, and I'm gonna take it back to them. The good thing is they already returned it. I told them it has a hole on it. I tried to fix it, but it did not. This is the second tire I bought also. Now I'm gonna try this tire, and hopefully not to find any holes or leaks or anything like that. And again, putting the tire inside, fitting the tire inside the rim is not really hard to do, but inflate the tire, it's the hardest part, because you need to do this method. Use a rubber or a rope, tie tight down the tire very hard, and then remove the inside the valve, and use the air directly to the tire valve. And you need to, like, the idea is you have to put a lot of air in one shot, so the air can squeeze the air pressure can squeeze the tire edge outside, so they can stick to the plastic rim, and that way, that's how you started. Now I have to do this again to make this work. After several attempts, it worked, and now sadly this tire has some holes too. This is the second new tire, and it has holes, and as you see, it leaks. 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, 4 holes here, and unfortunately, so maybe that's why they have them on sale. The original price is about maybe like $17. They have them on sale for $7 each. So maybe that's why they are really terrible bad tires. But you know, I don't know, maybe those tires made for tube, like you need to have a tube, or I have no idea. um, I don't know if you guys seen before, you buying tire like a wheelbarrow tire, or tubeless tires, and you see leaks, and it's not one tire, two brand new tires, both have holes, and both are like leaking badly, as you see here. So after spending like almost like more than an hour or so trying to figure out and fix this tire, I tried to fix it with duct tape. It did not work. I put a new tire in. First new tire, it was leak on it. Proper way to repair those holes on this tire, you need to use hot rubber stick from inside. I'll do that in next video. For now, I'm too tired. Thank you very much for watching. All the best, and hope to see you next video.